I'm here with Jeromy Huerta. Jeromy, are you in Arizona or are you in Washington right now?
I'm in Arizona.
You're in Arizona, and you just messaged me on Facebook to give me some news. So you, just for some context, for those of you that might be seeing this, Jeromy, you're relatively new to our program. Never run a YouTube ad before in your life.
Nothing.
Started getting in there, started implementing, and tell me what just happened.
I don't, well, since I'm on video, I don't want to be a little bit too crazy, but it's like when I first started selling insurance and you get your first deal closed, you just ran an ad. I guess what I'm so excited, one, it works, but two, our automation isn't even built out yet, right? So it's, the back end isn't great. But, you know, this guy who had called in, I talked to him over an hour ago, over 2 weeks ago for like an hour. You know, I just followed back up because he was before pre-automation, right?
Yeah.
And we had a great conversation, but he's like, yeah, I love you guys. Basically, you know, my current agent, he's not a Made You Look client, I checked, just doesn't take care of me. So the great thing is it's one of my regional carriers that actually pays higher commission, and it's a package account. But I just can't believe, I don't want to use the word easy. It was just, it was a pretty easy process. So the reason I'm excited is because you and I discussed this, is with no processes in place, I was able to close it. I can't even imagine what's going to happen as we get those in place in the automation. It's like, it's exciting.
So just so that I understand this, ran an ad, lead came in, you spoke to him about a week or so ago, followed up manually with him, and you were able to close the account.
Closed it, man. Yep.
Perfect. First of many. You don't mind sharing, just from a premium standpoint, what is the package premium on that?
Yeah, I think it was around, it's about $3,000, which isn't bad. So it's an auto home package. But the great thing about this guy is he's frustrated with his current agent because he wants higher limits, right? So obviously that's going to go higher as we talk with him. But I mean, just the fact that he watched this, right? In those, at least for us personal lines, this is like an ideal person. They just walked in. I don't want to say that, but essentially they just walked into our agency and, you know, through my corny little ad.
Bro, that is so awesome, man. I'm so pumped for you. That is awesome. First of many. First of many. First of many.
I got another guy here that we beat his rate. He was paying $4,000 a year. He's up in Washington. And his current rate, I'm about to follow up with him. This is how excited I am, Nick. I don't sell, right? I think I told you this. I'm just testing these. But we beat his rate by like $80 a month, and I doubled his limits.
So preferred customers, so these aren't bottom of the barrel customers who are just looking for state minimums. These are people who are your desired clients.
Yeah, absolutely. But even this guy, he had lower limits, but we're doubling his limits and we're still saving him $80 a month. But he's like, I saw the Jeep ad. I called. My daughter just bought a new Jeep, right? They got 2 Jeeps, and he said it doubled his premium and went to like $4,000 a year. I was like, wow, yeah, we got you covered. So we should have awesome. 2 here. But shout out to you, man. I appreciate it. It's going well.
Bro, it's all you, man. You implemented, you trusted the process. You went in there. You've been on every support call. You've asked all the questions, and you've stuck to it in a relatively short time. And now it's paying off for you, man. I'm stoked for you.
Yeah, me too. We're ready to start rolling out some other ones. So I love it.
Awesome, man. Congratulations.
All right. Thanks.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.